Tool calibration. For this program, we will be using three tools. First, we will calibrate all three of our tools. For this program, we will preset our Z starting point at 0.01 inches. The reason for this is our first programming cycle will be surface milling, and in our surface milling cycle we will remove 0.010 of an inch from the surface, allowing us to program our remaining cycles starting from Z0. From the jog screen, enter the following commands. Press T, press the 1 key, and press cycle start. The axes will now move to the tool change position. Select the F1 icon and then jog your axes accordingly until the tip of your tool is touching off the top of the part. Enter the value of 0.01 for the Z value and press enter. This box is located in the lower left corner of your screen. This will preset your Z starting point at 0.01. Next, define your tool. By selecting Z, then pressing the Enter key, you will define the length of your tool from its home position in the L value. Make sure that this box is highlighted when performing this operation. The next field is the length wear of your tool, K. At this time, it is unnecessary to put any value in this field. R is the tool radius. For this example, we will be using a tool with a 1/2 inch radius. I is the radius wear value, and at this time it is unnecessary to put any value in this field. Repeat these operations for tools 2 and 3. Tool 2 will be a 1/2 inch end mill, and tool 3 will be a 1/4 inch drill.